Hi guys, we are starting with the letter E in the first font style. This is the way it is written. Now I am doing it with a pencil. Just look at it. It is standing line, then it is thin, again standing line, then sleeping line, and then thin line. See the thin line out here. Then again sleeping line, thin line. This is while coming down, and then sleeping line, thin line, and this is standing line. I am doing with pen so that you have to seal the edges, which I have told you all, and I am doing with a pen so that you all can clearly see exactly how it is happening. I have also told in my first video that why pen is being used. The same thing, you all don't have to use the pen, but if you want you can use the pen also. This is sleeping, then this is thin line, then this is again sleeping, this is thin line, this is sleeping, this is thin line, and then again standing line, and seal the edges. I am doing it with two different pens. You all want, you all can do with pen also. This is pencil calligraphy, but it can be done with sketch pens or gel pens, whatever. But it has to be tied in the same manner, and you are not going to do with two different colors. You are going to do with same color, because with two different colors it's looking little odd. This is for you to see what is happening. You all will clearly understand what is happening by seeing this video. The next letter is letter F, and this is written like this. Now with pencil, this is a sleeping line, then this is a thin line, standing line, then this is thin, standing, thin, then there is a curve which goes from here to here, and a sleeping line. Now you seal the edges. I will show you the parts of it with pen so that you all can understand clearly. It's a sleeping line, then a standing line, then it is sleeping line again, then it is thin line, standing line, and thin line. Then you attach this curve, and remember the curve is like this only. In calligraphy you can start with anything. You can do this first, you can do this first, but the curve is going to come from this side and will join this here. And then last is the sleeping line, and then you are going to seal the edges. I have shown this as a part so that you all can understand how to do. You all are going to do it with pencil only. This is pencil calligraphy. I am doing it with pen so that you all can see it clearly. So now I am joining all the other parts and showing you with pen of F. See, then so the F will look like this after joining all the different parts which I have explained. Now we start with the letter G. This is the way in calligraphy. Now we've learned letter C. It is C, and then you join a standing line, thin line, and a curve, and then seal the edges. I'll show you the breakup. First, it is letter C, then it is a standing line, a thin line, and then curve. Again, the curve is going to be joined like this only, from left to right and not the opposite. So the last time G is like this, and like this. Because my pen has moved a bit, I am not able to join it properly, otherwise it will be like this proper. Here you have to seal the edge, and you have to see that these two are in sync. This cannot be ahead of it or behind. So this is the letter G. Then we move onwards to the letter H. Letter H is a bit difficult because it has got many parts. The first is your F. See, this is a thin standing, then this is a sleeping line, then again a thin standing and thin line, then a curve joining it, then this will be a sleeping line, then here again it is going to be a thin standing thin line, and then it will be a curve coming from up to down like this. So you have to practice. Basically, one is this, it is thin line here, then it is a curve, and then a thin line. For this you will require other also. So first you are going to make thin standing and then sleeping line, and then again thin standing and thin line, and then a curve joining this. This is your F, letter F, and then seal the edges. Then there will be a thin standing thin line, and then this part thin line, then a curve, then you go up again as a thin line. My pen doesn't stay properly, that's why it is little bit here and there. You can see it's come very proper with pencil. Since it is light, I am showing you with the pen because the pen are too thick. Then there is a sleeping line. So this forms the letter H. You will have to practice this at least 5 to 10 times before you get the correct formation. Don't worry, it will not come with one go. It will go haywire. With practice, it will come. And this is the last letter for the day.
So guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and click the bell icon to get notifications on every new video we make.
Thank you for watching.